completed my graduation, so just wanted to enhance my English skills. That's why I downloaded Cambly and talk with native speakers to enhance my skills for job opportunities and conversation day to day.
Okay, very nice. And what field are you in?
Sorry,
What field are you in? What employment field?
I have done bachelor's in commerce, accounting side.
Okay, so now you're looking for jobs in the
Yes,
account.
yes, in accounting softwares.
Okay, and
Basically,
how is yeah?
basically in India, when you do after you do bachelor in commerce in accounts department, you can opt for many higher job opportunities like manager level and in accounting level also.
Okay, and how is the job market these days? Is there lots happening, or is it very dry because of the coronavirus?
Actually, in whole world after this corona,
hmm
the job opportunities are very less. All the companies are firing all the employees who are having a lot of
hmm
experience. So it will be very difficult for all of us also, like us, we are freshers. So they will only hire those having very good communication skills also and having other skills also.
Right. It's a
Yes.
really tough time right now in any
Yeah.
field trying to find work.
Yes.
It's
But
awful. Yeah.
India has created two vaccines which are very effective.
hmm Very
They
good.
are
And
made
are
in
they
India.
vaccinating people already?
Sorry.
Are they in process? Are they vaccinating people
No,
now
no,
with
no. They have already vaccinated 3 lakh people in only 3 days, I think.
Oh wow, okay.
And until now, I don't think so that any major case has been there. However, slightly reaction have there like pain and a little bit of fever, not more than that.
Well, that's quite positive.
Yes, yes. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has done a lot of good things.
Well, that's very positive. Yeah.
Yes,
Awesome.
yes, yes.
So hopefully the situation will look up soon and you'll be able to
Yes, yes.
find.
In 1 or 2 months, I think that it will be normal.
Oh, that's excellent.
What is position there in Scotland?
Oh, not the best at all. So we have been, or the whole entire UK has been vaccinating since,
Yes, yes,
what was
yes.
it, like the beginning of December is when the very
Yeah,
first person got the vaccine. But here
yeah.
we are, still not doing very well.
Oh,
We've been in a lockdown since January 4th, so
yes, yes,
a
yes,
couple
yes.
weeks now. Yeah. And it's
I
just,
have listened in news that the UK has again implemented a lockdown.
yes, since January 4th, we have all been under lockdown. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So you cannot go outside home.
Well, we can go for exercise outside, but
Oh,
like you can't do anything else. So you can only go grocery shopping or exercise, and then if you are not able to do your work from home, that makes you a key worker, then you can go to work. But otherwise, you have to stay
so
home.
you can go without their permission or with by taking their permission to the grocery store and outside your house
You can go, yeah, you can go outside. But like if you sit down
without
on
taking
a bench,
permission.
then technically the police could say go home. They don't do a very good job of actually like following through with it. Like there's lots of people
Yes,
outside all the time, and so they
yes,
don't
yes,
do a very good job of keeping up with
yeah,
everyone.
yes, yes,
Yeah, it's getting quite boring over here. There's not much we can do, so it's very boring.
yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. What kind of
Actually, I am at intermediate level, so I don't have enough to talk with you, enough words, you can say.
you're doing very well. It sounds like you have lots of words.
Yeah, yeah. But there is a little bit of lack of confidence, I think,
Well,
in
that's
me.
okay. Well, that's why you're here. That's why you're
Yes, yes,
practicing.
yes, 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 yes,
Yeah.
yes. You
So
are
don't
right, right.
worry. So what kinds of things are you doing to keep yourself from being crazy bored at home? What are you doing?
Since this lockdown,
Mhm.
uh, at home, I do not do a lot of things. I wake up at around 11 a.m. and after I do my breakfast and
Mhm.
just whole day scrolling memes on Facebook,
Mhm.
Instagram, and
Yep.
not much more than that.
What about do you
Actually, I don't know that what to do because at home, what you can do.
Good question. I don't know.
In some time, whenever my mother tells me to do any work, I helps him and
Help
nothing
her.
more. Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's the question of the century, isn't it? As to what to do, because so many of us have been in lockdown for basically a year now, and it's getting
Yes.
boring just watching Netflix and doing things like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Today only I have subscribed for Netflix.
Today, for the first time.
No, not for the first time. It was ended, so I subscribed.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that's
Yes.
very important to have Netflix
Yeah.
at this time.
Today I have started a new series, 13 Reasons Why.
Oh, and what do you think about it?
Till now, it is very nice.
Mm-hmm.
All the new characters are there, Catherine Langford and all the new. So it is nice. Have you watched?
Yeah, I watched it until I forget how many seasons there are now, but I
There
did
are four
watch
seasons. There are 4 seasons, I think.
4. Okay, I haven't watched the fourth one, but I watched 1 through 3.
First, okay. So according to you, which season was best? First, second, or third?
Well, I think first because the first one was the
First.
one that was based on the books because I read the book.
Yes.
And then so
Yeah. It was based on the novel. Yeah.
yeah, so that was the best one. What about you? What did you think?
I think because I have started today till now, it is very great, and I have listened a lot with my friends that this series is very great. They have watched all the seasons. Especially they are also saying that season one was best
Mm.
because in that there is a story. After that, they are only stretching the
Yeah.
series story. Nothing more than that. They killed Bryce and nothing more. It is a little bit of boring in other seasons.
Yeah, exactly. They're just kind of they clearly wanted to keep it going, but we're also like, ooh, we have
Yeah,
a storyline. So what do we
because season one was great. That's why they started season two, then season three, and season four. But season one was best.
Yeah, agreed. Absolutely. Have you read the novel?
No, I haven't.
No, yeah. Do you like to
I
read?
have listened a lot about this series. That's why I started this series, but I haven't read novel till now.
What do you mean listened a lot? Like heard from your friends or podcasts?
Yeah. A lot from my friends. A lot from my friends.
Okay, yeah. So then you can say I've heard about it a lot from my friends.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because if you say I listened, then it means that you listened like to the radio or a podcast or something like that.
Yes. Go.
Okay. Well, do you like to read?
Yes, I have read. I don't have any much interest in reading the books because it's kind of a little bit of boring for me.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
like watching movies on laptop and TV, and it is a little bit of boring for me.
Yeah, absolutely. What about like podcasts or audiobooks? Do you ever or YouTube? What types of things do you usually?
YouTube, I like YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Daily whenever I am bored, so then at that time I watch YouTube, any video on YouTube for passing my time
And what do you usually watch? Is it like comedy or like educational things or?
mostly comedy and learning English videos. There are a lot of videos and there are a lot of channels which are teaching how to enhance our vocabulary and pronunciation also. So that has helped me a lot till now.
Okay, good. Yeah, YouTube is an excellent free source of.
Yeah. There are a lot of channels which teach that how to enhance your confidence also. So I think it has helped me a lot.
What are some of the things that the YouTube told you to enhance your confidence? Do you remember what they said?
Like speak like a native speaker. You should watch these movies. And this idea also I came from that YouTube video, like watching movies, English movies. They say that by watching English movies you can enhance your pronunciation also. That how native speakers speak. This was the most important point that I learned from there.
And that you can also train your ear to listen to different types of
Yes,
accents
yes.
through the
With
movie.
subtitles, it makes a little bit of easy, because as for beginners, it is a little bit of difficult for without subtitles.
Yeah, absolutely. I still sometimes have subtitles on my
Yeah.
shows, depending on what I'm
Because sometimes it is too fast that we are not able to understand that what they have said. So subtitles are a great way to understand.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I use
Yeah,
them sometimes as well. Especially if there's like if I watch like a medical movie and there's lots of terminology that I don't know, then it's nice to have
yeah.
subtitles there so that I kind
You
of
can pause it and then watch the meaning of that particular word that you are not able to understand on the Google. And that's a great way to understand the new words and the meaning of that particular words.
Yeah, absolutely.
Do
Very
you
good.
watch cricket?
No, I do not.
Oh,
You do?
yeah. My favorite cricketer is MS Dhoni. Have you listened about him?
No, I have not heard about him, no.
He is a cricketer who has all the three trophies, which like ICC Cricket World Cup and Champions Trophy and T20 World Cup. He is the only captain in the world that has all these three trophies in the
Oh, that's
cricket.
very impressive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In previous year only, he has took a retirement from international cricket. He was serving since 2004.
Okay. How old is he?
He is now 39-year old.
Oh, okay. So very nice. Have you?
After 38, 39, all the cricketers get retired.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. And what do they do afterwards? Do you know?
After their as they have earned a lot of money, so they can enjoy their life with their family and their children, and nothing much as just by sitting at home, they can do anything.
Yeah. Well, some people get bored, so they go into like coaching or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah. I have listened that he is starting an cricket academy,
Oh.
in which he will train other cricketers also that how to play cricket and all.
Oh, okay. So you heard that
Yeah.
basically he'll become a
Yeah.
or something.
Yes.
Oh, very good. Have you ever played cricket?
Yes. When I was in 10th standard, I was having interest in cricket also. That I started playing cricket at home and in academy also. In this 10th standard, I was having bored, and I used to play cricket and all the day. At that time, I was having a very interest that I will be a cricketer one day. But after some time, that interest faded away.
Yeah. Yeah, it takes a lot of discipline, doesn't it, to actually reach
Yes.
very high levels.
Yes. Without that, if you don't have interest and you are not doing that particular thing without interest, then you cannot achieve that particular goal. If you are doing it with interest, then you can achieve it easily.
Yeah, exactly. It helps to actually be passionate and to really like what you're
doing. There should be a passion in your life, that one thing that you can do with interest, and you should do that particular work. Until now, I don't know what to do after, because recently my graduation is over. In some past years, my interest was to do law.
Oh, okay.
But now, since this lockdown, I am very confused, and this lockdown has blown my mind. Just by sitting at home, nothing to do, using mobile all the time and watching series and all.
Yeah, it's really tragic, isn't it? It's really messing with a lot of people.
Yeah. Because this hasn't happened, so it is very difficult for us to have this.
Yeah, absolutely.
But now, new year 2021, new challenges and new opportunities. Let's see.
Yeah, well, I hope that you find whatever it is that you're passionate again. I hope that you find it.
Yes.
Sooner.
Hope I will find soon.
Yeah. Well, we're almost out of time, so it's very nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you. It was nice to meet you.
Yeah, of course. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.